So I will cut the bottom out to make that stable. Then score from the top down to the bottom. This is why the score method doesn't. So this is the second method, how to peel the pomelo. And slice it round from the top, go down to the bottom. Let's see, I'm gonna fail or I'm gonna win. Here you go. The top bit out. You can't eat the segment because it's tough, so I'll take it out. Okay, I will show you how to peel the pomelo. Cut the skin off first. Oh, that's bad. Because we don't want to cut into the pomelo yet because we don't want to watery, too juicy yet. If you cut on the pomelo, then you end up like this. You don't have to take all the white bit off now because we're gonna take the skin inside off anyway. So we will do that later. Try to cut it where the segment is. Then it will be easy and not cut the pomelo meat too much. Since we have pomelo skin, I want to make a beautiful leaf from it, give you as a bonus. I'm using the carving knife set first bowl, I need to cut into the leaf shape